Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X8 Pro and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. The mode doesn't really matter because we will open the general settings. So let's tap on this arrow at the very top to open more options and then tap on settings, so the gear icon. Now let's go to general and here scroll down. Go to other settings and tap on restore default settings. Tap on OK and the settings flashed a little bit, which means that we just successfully reset camera preferences. So for example, if you've previously set the grid lines, then they should disappear after resetting. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.